I will be the last who will have a honor to a little bit summarize that, yeah? I know that maybe not all of you have so many power to stay till the end, and I am promising to keep it really short, yeah? So once again, I would like to thank you all of our prelegents. It's second editions, it's already doubled from the numbers of really excited topics. This is just perfect. I have some ideas for the third one, yeah? Mostly we will have to a little bit shrink the time, yeah, I believe, but we will try some improvements. Learning by doing, this is what we are trying to do. I would like to also thank you, all of you who are joining those sessions, because we are creating a great community. So, yes, there is also a few, let's say, places which will keep us to stay connected. So if you will scan those QR codes, and for example, follow that Let's Talk SONiC hashtag, you will be for sure updated with all the SONiC news, yeah? So whatever where you will go, you will be on the LinkedIn, on the Twitter. Try to follow that Let's Talk SONiC, and you will get a lot of news. Another that in the middle QR code, it's our SONiC community on the LinkedIn. We created that community, that group, maybe a bit more than a year ago. And we are today, as I was checking, almost 900 people, and it is growing. So it's also a perfect place to stay connected. And what we are also doing as a STORDIS from the open source perspective, that what Kamal was saying, those two projects, Monsum, Orca, you can also support us from the GitHub perspective. I was checking lately, the Monsum being downloaded more than 1,600 times. So I believe that it's used somewhere, yeah, in that community. Someone have to use. And I show you some nice stuff, and I would like to just remind. So if you don't have yet those stickers, just behind the corner is our stand, and they are really cool, yes? I would like to also say a big thank you for Anya and Adam. Both of them are working in that marketing department. But the creativity is not ending there. So if you are really a networking geek, yeah, and you like to get something really cool, they designed something like a mouse keyboard pad, yeah, where you have all the SONiC cheat sheet, comments lines, ONI, and so on. That is really cool. And always we are saying that the education is a key. So we also created a company called Road to Open. It's some kind of like academia where you are free to go, and we have also a lot of vouchers. So if you would like to go deeper to the SONiC, we have different, let's say, distribution of that SONiC there. There are really nice courses which are today available fully free of charge, where normally we are charging, as you can see. So with that one-time code, you can go deeper. And if someone of you would like to just be connected and stay connected with me personally, you will scan that, and you can also get my LinkedIn and Twitter accounts. And once again, really appreciate, and let's go for a beer.